So I thought I would do a quick little video of my small solar setup, which is just 200-watt panels, a single marine battery, and basic Harbor Freight controller. Marine battery there. It is the larger of the two you can usually get for about 120 bucks. The inverter's only about 30 bucks. A little meter that I added on there, and the charge controller, just because the shed does sometimes get wet. I've bagged it up. This one was a spare from a buddy of mine. I don't usually use the Wanderer, but in this case it works and it was cheap. This station basically just charges extra batteries, such as a little lawnmower battery for a small water pump, and the rest of the electrical from that goes over to a little portable garage, which gives me lights, charges a phone, plays some speakers, also charges my e-bike. So the generator pretty much only gets used one line for my tiny house, one line for the portable shed that has microwave, and then when the generator's running, it also charges additionally to the other batteries around, like on the tiny, and also this battery here, just a small 3 amp charger there that when the generator's running, it'll run that. It's a small generator. They're about 450, 500 bucks at Harbor Freight. It's worked great for over a year now and very good on gas. So my little gas setup, just so that I can gravity feed instead of constantly spilling and things like that. So all of that basically just gets recharged every day. Only in a few hours, actually, from two 100-watt panels. They're about 100 bucks a piece, and a little bit of wiring, and just basically making something that works.